Hello everyone, UnlockBoot is here for you guys again. You might have broken your power button or your power button is not working, but in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn on your iPhone without your power button. Guys, it's very simple. Just plug your iPhone with a computer or plug your iPhone with a charger. Okay, I'm gonna plug my iPhone with a charger. And here you go. Wait until the iPhone is turned on. It takes a while to turn on your iPhone. And here you go. You have successfully turned on your iPhone without power button. It's that simple, guys. For more videos, guys, please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot. Thank you very much and see you next time.